Genuinely, just check this out. Look how beautiful
デン
this
ジ君
is.
はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
It's so good.
最強に元気なら明日の休み私とデートしない？
So cute. He's the cutest little boy.
初めて。
Oh, I just want to squeeze their cheeks, you know?
目つむると二人になっちまったよ。
God damn, bro, it's so sick.
全員俺んこと殺そうとしてんだけど。
あいつに天井をやるわけにはいかない。
It looks incredible.
逮捕する。
人間は
My
苦しんで死ぬべきだと思った。
これが正解だよな。チェイサー様大キャー大キャー。ビーム、俺に後悔させんじゃねえぞ。
Nah, man, this is... God damn it. Just give it to me. I've waited too long already. It looks so good, man. It just looks amazing. I was really worried that they were going to lose that sort of cinematic quality that the first season had. I'm so happy that they've kept that. I was really worried they were just gonna, you know, remove any of the cinematic qualities about it, but they haven't done that. It looks really good.